Hello, hello, hello. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Como está, capo? Welcome to the JewPino Show. Today we're coming to you from Ralph's Bar and Bowling in Big Indian, Catskill Mountain Range of New York. So here we go on the inside to show you what it's like. So we're in the Catskill Mountain Range. Wow, look at this. It's only a 2-lane bowling alley. Wow, and they're bowling.
He doesn't like the broken.
Debut.
Come on! Finally!
Well, you even got to set up your own pins. You even got pin setters. Oh, look. At the end of the bowling alley, they've even got a moose head. How cool is that? All right, so we're going to go inside and throw your balls back there and set up your own pins. And we're going to go have a beer. All right, so here we are at the end of the bar at Ralph's Bar and Bowling. We saw when we came in, and it's got a ferret behind the glass. And it's got a bird, a cowboy bird. And we got all kinds of rabbits here along the wall. And it's kind of cool, rabbit heads. It's got a deer at the end of the bar. Sorry.
Thank you.
Alright, I was in the way, I guess. So, they got some kind of mongoose eating a squirrel hanging on the wall. And guess what they got outside of the bar? You can go swimming if you want. Got a 4-foot swimming pool, 5 foot deep swimming pool. And they got a sauna out there too, but okay. So that's what the inside, wow, look at those big beer cans on the top of the German Steins. Okay. And they've even got a butterfly exhibit. Wow, look at those butterflies. And this is the cool bar. The cool bar with the deer head, and you can sit here in the bar. And they've got all kinds of deer heads on there. But anyway, okay. So thank you for taking a tour of Ralph's Bar and Bowling Alley. All right, we're going to see how the pizza is later on in a minute. Okay, so here on the JewPino Channel, we've ended up in Big Indian, New York at Ralph's Bar and Bowling Alley. And there's in the middle of the bar, there's a 2-lane bowling alley where you need to set up your pins by yourself. They've got a huge moose head at the end of the bowling alley. And you're gonna have somebody sit at the end of the bowling alley to send back your balls. How cool is that? This is like awesome sauce, right? Where you have your partner set up the pins at the end. Hi, I'm doing a JewPino channel for YouTube. I'm on YouTube. So I'm trying to explain to my subscribers what this bowling alley is all about. It's in the middle of a bar. Would you believe this? All right, so you have your, if you ever want to take your date out, you take your date out and have your date set up the pins and you throw the ball. And then you can eat pizza too. They have served pizza at this bar. Like really cool pizza. So anyway, I'm saying so again, but it's kind of cool that your partner has to set up the pins while you throw the ball. And then while your partner throws the ball, you have to set up the pins. See if she gets a strike. Oh, she got a gooder ball. Oh man. Nice try. But they even got a big moose head at the end of the thing. Splits. Anyway, you don't even need to belong to a league to come to this bowling alley, and it doesn't cost anything. They don't charge you to do it. They don't charge any extra. But there's no cost. You don't have to pay for bowling shoes. You don't have to pay for a bowling ball. You don't have to look for a pin. You just have to set up your own pins and throw it. It's the most awesome bar in New York State. So I hope you come visit. Thank you for watching. All right, so here we are in another part of the Ralph's Bar and Bowling video. And I've just made my first pit stop. So I'm coming out to see how my crowd's doing, my group. Hi. All right. So welcome to.
No,
We're not cutting this. We're not cutting this video.
YouTube.
We're not on YouTube. We're not doing the YouTube on this video. Okay, we'll cut this segment out and show you the rest later.
The JewPino, like and subscribe, JewPino.
JewPino, number one.
Number one YouTuber in the whole world.
Oh no, not number one. More like 999. We're down there at the bottom.
999th YouTuber.
All
Up
right.
and coming. Up and
All right.
coming.
So, what do you want to say to your future self when you're looking back at this video in like 30 years?
Pizza was good.
Pizza was good. Beer was great.
All right.
I wish I
Okay.
had subscribed earlier.
Thanks for contributing. If you'd like to come visit, we'll meet you up here next time around, right?
Yeah.
Any subscribers that want to come up and meet us and give us their opinions, right? Please let us know. And we'll meet you up here and we'll put you on the show. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
House bar and bowling.
Peace out. Have fun bowling.